So in this video, you'll learn how to perform a soft reset on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first step when it comes to performing a soft reset is to find the power button. So now the power button is located at the top of the Switch next to the volume button. And so once you found it, what you're going to be doing is just pressing on that power button until the power off menu appears. Once it appears, continue pressing on the button until the screen goes black, then you can let go of the button. Wait a few seconds and then just go ahead and press on the power button again to switch on your Switch. So let's go through that process. So power button, press on hold, then just keep pressing. Ignore the power off menu that appears and continue pressing. And then once it goes off, just let go of the button. Wait a few moments and then you can just go ahead and press on the power button once to wake up the Switch and simply wait for it to boot up. Once it boots up, you can go ahead and start it. And now you can start using your Nintendo Switch 2 after you've successfully performed a soft reset. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.